please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I apologize for the angle of this. I'm going to open a score 1990 Major League Baseball. It has 16 card per pack. One each come with Magic Blvd crappy card. One good player is Matt Williams. He had a decent career. Hall of Famer. Got fired. Matt Williams got fired managing the Washington Nationals. Made some really dumb calls or something. So the first pack, this is what he looked like. Back of it. And don't tell me the odds. Something blah blah blah. So there's nothing really unique. There's no Marshall autograph or anything. It's got Oral Hauser. Mad Noakes again. So that's what Chris said. It looks weird about his glasses. It looks really odd about his glasses. Look up tips out his glasses. So, yeah, the Super Trio card now he likes. You got, big box. Dream Team. I buy a bunch of rookie cards from Amazon. Hope they didn't get ripped off, or they're fake. Tim Jones. Youngblood. Joe Youngblood. He was the Giants. Yeah, he went to Giants. I thought he retired after the Giants. Nobody people talk about him. He wasn't only had like 2 good seasons, I guess. Well, was a good card, Hall of Famer, All-Star. Will Jackson. Oh my goodness, look at him. Anyways, for a guy who played like 5 seasons, his cards were still worth money. Kind of interesting. I got on Flair. I got his rookie card, 86 rookie card, 86 Flair. So let's see what I get here. Rick got caught stealing, cheating at one time. Ooh, a wild thing. Later on to the Phillies, blow the save. I'm in the hospital, you look at my hand. You got here like, oh yeah, ooh, that's cool. First year with the Marlins. He's from near I live. So let me know what kind of teams you like. Put a like and comment on this. I mean, I need more people like my things to be famous. So I can do this for free for you guys. Buy more cards. That'd be nice. Okay. Mike Lacrosse. Behind there, there's like Cowsick Park. Blur. Spike Owens, so he's like his name. Oh, Kirby Puckett. There's second year card. Well, Tom Grabbing. Third year card. Hall of Fame right there. Hey, if I'm gonna get doubles in one pack, find his cards, man. So it's good to see him. Rookie Mike Smith. And 1990 rookie guy. Young man, he was in the University of Mayball. He complains about he had to pay like soda. $1 get Oakland. Oakland's so cheap. I need to knock this over again. I did last time on my videos. Dave Merlin. This guy he's still famous for the Dodgers. He had a good career, man. Dude, that got some kind of injury. I think he pitched too much and too much screwball. A lot of players lost their career because they play too much. Oh, Hall of Famer. This guy was great. Do you want to hear the story of him getting lost for his first Major League game? There'd be t-shirts of it. It was like a hilarious story. Got lost at Atlanta highways. Chuck Finley. A weird looking card. Oh well. No, but the back here, no rookies. No rookies. Gary wins. Got two card. The lights. Oh yeah, Count Stick. I really miss Count Stick. I miss you, baby. You should come back to me. Clearance. Jerry Pitted. Kusho, really call him. I don't know. So far, really no. Got a bunch of rookies. Everybody back. Most of them don't find rookies on distance. Always in the back. Cam Vapor. Nobody really mounted anything. Those rookies. I remember like everybody was going crazy. This time of year they were going, in the early 90s, they were going over Great Jeffries card. They thought it'd be the next big thing. Maybe it'd be like the next P Rose or something. There we go. Handicap again. Oh, Blvd. I got tons of cards today. TV trading card. Lincoln. Deep. Yeah, I saw this card. He was weird out of his beard. I think it was what time was see, I don't know. Never mind. Don't know what I'm talking about. And there's the backside of it. I'll try to go really fast on these videos because these things take forever. Try to make it under like half an hour. That's my goal. Going Biggs. During the 1990 World Series, he missed the ball. He shattered his bat with his shoulder only. It was kind of interesting. Got a first pick. I gotta look up his stats. Dennis Cook again. He used to be with the Giants for a short time. Jose Uribe. He got his birthday right in this one. Yeah, I think he did. Should be a Hall of Famer. Cobra. Should be a Hall of Famer. Should buy some of his rookie cards. And rookie guy. What's this guy? Rookie Pad Clemens. 1990 rookie. So this is mostly, these are like, I got for $25 a box on with eBay. Sometimes you want to fight me. Why you want to fight me? Sure, bum scissors. Also, please subscribe to my channel. We do different things and do a bunch of movie reviews. This guy, they thought it'd be the next big thing. I bought a bunch of his rookies. Lost most of my cards in a flood in Stockton. Great bitch. You know, I could tell this count's like parked in the background. Ryman Smith. He was mostly a relief pitcher. You got Great Smith, back-to-back Smiths. Rookie. Got his career at all. Kim Rice here, he played it. And now he's in the 80s. Oh, this guy, I gotta tell a quick story about him. Yeah, this guy was, women would be flashing their boobies at him during home games at Yankee stadiums. Didn't really have much career. I think he had one good season. He like much had, he had decent home runs that one year. And of course, you know, Tony Gwynn was good to have his cards in your collection. There it was. Too bad what happened. Mickey used to be the Giants. Yeah, he couldn't throw the ball. He'll hesitate. I think they put him outfield later on. I got his minor league cards. Did rookie guy. Oh, Deion Sanders. Woo! It's showtime. Mr. Showtime. Well, I did buy the Bo Jackson card. The one with it was him wearing the pads and thing. There we go. Barry Bonds should be a Hall of Famer. He cheated. And they all cheat, okay? They're all cheating bastards. Got him again. Corey Young. I think he got arrested. Doing some nasty things. Hoods. Rookie. Oh, damn, I kind of mirrored him a little bit. I think he had a decent career. Gary Floyd. Mike Gardner. Nice card. Nice to get a Kevin Green Junior card. Get Kevin Gross again. Oh, first, Ricky Henderson. That little sweet smile of his. Rookie guy. What is his name? Franklin. Dub. Kevin Brown. He was the most underrated pitcher, in my opinion. Mike Moore. Oh, Ray Jeffries. 4-year card. Hall of Famer. Bobby Thomas. He was one of the Giants. Decent, great shortstopper. Great. And last pack. So I can. You got Brandon Hayes. He had a decent career. Mostly with the Pirates, I think. That's it. Dave Anderson. Well, you got Bo Jackson. I got Bo. I know I got his card. Gets Walker. Brandon Wilson. He had a long career. John Smiley. Yeah, no rookies this time. Yeah, could be a troublemaker. Oh, well, Clark again. They're getting a double. He's like, well, this guy broke his arm. His arm got cut off. They're all excited about him. Yeah, the Giant Courage. Yeah, later on he played Expo. He played against Expo in Montreal. He broke his arm. Later on, they amputated his arm. The background kind of tells a little story about him. It's kind of like a little Giant history right there. Steve Sachs with the Yankees. I saw a darker card. Wally Joyner. He's called MI Stadium, Wally World. Good. Say Dreams, Braves. Oh, he's very keen by the Braves. And Dinner Wedge. Rookie guy, Mickey Histon. Nope. Mike Bauer. Nope. Okay. But it kind of go get rookie cards. Him again. Makes me nervous when I see doubles. Don Twirt, Mike, Ken Hill, Jay Howell. I used to go by Jay. My name's Howell. So this guy was with the A's for a while, for a short time. Oh, that guy 4 years. You guys still pay my pick. Don Snow. I think when he gave up what's the guy who gave up Pete Rose's 4,000 hit? Charlie Hayes. He was a Giant, got traded. We got a bunch of other players. And I'm too lazy to look it up for you guys. Look at yourself. Oh, great. Oh, this guy has his card. Ryan Sandberg. I think the Phillies kicking their ass when they trade him away. Didn't see the magic in. I like those. Randy Bush. We got Bush. That one guy always says. Mitch Williams. Yeah, oh yeah. If I'm gonna get doubles, you know, I mean, yeah. Kim Ward. Dan. Doug Beard. So let me know what you think. Comment, like, tell me your life story in my comment section. If you're pretty, you know, put a comment. You know, really, this was a good player, good speeder. Not much a home run hitter. I think he only had mostly ever had 11 home runs right there. Oh, rookie. Yeah, for some reason you want to look for rookies and scores, they're in the back. And Jack the Ripper. St. Louis, he played with St. Louis, Giants, and then the Yankees later on in his career. Oh, the cat. Dream team. What is everything in your life? That beautiful smile on him, the sweet little smile. Oh, good. Got a bunch of his cards. My dear players. Most unrated player ever. Even a good pitcher in college, too. I think we went straight to the, didn't play in minors, we went straight to the majors. That was one of the deals they had to sign him. Because they were having a debate about, you know, minor league players get more pay, and actually get paid because, you know, players are making billions of dollars, the managers, the owners. Which is ridiculous. You know, complain about people making, you know, the card I'm getting a little purple. I'll talk about next time. Got a first round pick. I don't know about him. I think this guy, you should look up stories about him on YouTube. He used to blackmail the umpires so they help his pitch. Okay. Rookie eye, Moses. Whoa, this guy was a good player during his time. I didn't know he played the Pirates. Because I know he was the Cubs, Giants, and Marlins, and Expos during his career. Spur, he could be a Hall of Famer. So that's right about him. A lot of Mets could have been Hall of Famers. Ken Griffey Sr. Like, he made it one of the greatest players ever. Those. I want to pick. Also, looks so serious. Or Hall of Famer. Some people aren't too happy. This guy had he pitched a submarine. Lever. I mean, Lever's become Hall of Famer. I know maybe 3 or 4 of them. I know rookie, holy. That guy's rookie card. His minor league card. Cabinet. Nope. Nope. These cards are decent. I think 1990 was terrible. I think it was my guess. I think it's 1990. I think. But this pack has no autographs, no players, Tom. I think his son is one of rookies right now. Got Hall. This guy looks like, oh my god, he's so high right now. I guess if he has another kid, Joey Bill. Eric Davis. This guy could be a Hall of Famer too. Speaking of Hall of Famers, I think the first, was he born in Sweden or something? I think one of the first Hall of Famers not born in the United States. Aaron White. Nope. And a rookie guy, Chip Hall. Hall of Famer. Will Clark, Hall of Famer. Goodwin. Tom Goodwin. Roman pick. I'm not sure he went anywhere. This is a terrible picture. That's one of the worst. That's a terrible picture. Cindy Almost Jr. He thought he'd be a Hall of Famer. Turned out his bird did, and his bird did nasty things. Hello, how you doing? Good morning. Oh, Hall of Famer. Jeff. This guy's a great second baseman during his time. Got a bunch of good. They thought he was hot during the time. He thought he was great rookies. Mike Cassie, former Giants. You gotta be paying to his hard 10. Okay. J.J. Sherhoff with 88 top rookie for the Tom's cards. They're players, so he's smiling. He played the Giants, Red Sox. Steve Olsen, Giants. This guy, I keep telling you, look at this guy's crazy stories. Dawson, Craig, J. Bill. Oh, Cameron Jr., Hall of Famer. I'm not sure these cards are worth any money, honestly. Jack down. God bless you. You guys should be a Hall of Famer. Pittsburgh, number 1. Willie Green. George Brett, Hall of Famer. There's Anthony. Tio Martinez. He guy could have been a Hall of Famer. He played for many years. He did something really stupid. These are really dumb things. He could be the Hall of Famer. He played like 22 years. It's really stupid. Got Bobby Rose. Not late to P Rose. I mean, I guess some people thought he was late to P Rose. Right. This guy had a decent career. Or him again. The guy died. Kind of fish. Card. Oh, that guy's rookie card. Could have been a rookie. I don't know. Recently, he's not Hall of Fame because it's critical point of view. I think they're kind of stupid, but the Hall of Famer. Could be a Hall of Famer. There's a rumor that he faked the blood on his socks. And somebody actually bought the socks. And last card for the pack right there. Make sure I'm scrubbing. So far this video is 20. Yeah. Try to make it short. I was Gillen. He's the manager of the White Sox. Didn't like Cuba. The dictator there. Got Barry Larkin, Hall of Famer, All-Star. Ian Tanner. Mark Grant. With Curry Puckett, Hall of Famer. One of their players. Mark Dwyer. Should be Hall of Famer in my opinion. Got Darren Lynch, rookie. So far, either got one guy's rookie. What year is this? Second year. This guy's a good player. Well, you got bowl. As long as you got bowl in your life, that's what matters, right? Nothing else matters. And Caruso, just kind of history about him, broken his arm. The guy survived cancer. I think he played too soon what would happen to him. Mike Landstead, Welding Smith, rookie guy, Gray Smith, Les Smiths, Pat Austin, and you got Stan. Mostly I'm thinking about selling my card, making like a Mr. J. Howell. God, I heard he cheated or something, or a different player on the team. Well, you know, it has to do with history of cheating. Got Jose Canseco, in my opinion, he had over 500 home runs. He'd be a Hall of Famer. Played Norton people. Dan Griffey Jr. Oh God, back-to-back rookie cards. Woo! Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, my brothers. Miracles do happen, my friends. Miracles do happen. Sure, Hawk. Yeah, top rookie one year. So I got both rookie. Hall of Famer. He got busted things to be things. Just care what you say now. Don't be stupid, Court Floyd. Steve Blake. Oh, this guy got his ass kicked by a 40-something-year-old man. Alright, Judy Reed, Big Pen, Tom. I'm gonna go fast for you guys. We're almost done. I got like 5 more packs to go. So I always want to put a comment section once again. I want to see him comment Hall of Famer. Not a good picture of him. Terrible picture, but oh well. Some of these cards, I don't know. Some they do. I just don't like this kind of pictures, honestly. That's okay. Great win. This guy was a decent player. I think he was decent a couple years of his career. So, right. Got William Green again. Tom Jordan. Gary Queen. Mark Lancer again. Yeah, he got traded with from the Marlins. Rookie guy again. Got 2 more packs. And I got Big Mess Queen. What are you doing? Mike Scott, nice relief pitcher. You got Mark Lanston. Jeff Kennedy. Eric Rookie guy again. Chris Nigley. I got a bunch of his cards. Chris one. And the last pack. So let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. Ken Griffey Jr. Rookie Hall of Famer. Said he was at the 86 Mets. Jose. I had Glenn looking. He had a decent career. Tony Pena. Okay. So that's it. Like and subscribe. Let me know. These are the last cards. I know you like to subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe we'll do better next time. Thanks for watching. Got a bunch of rookie cards. Thank you.